imageKing launches step-by-step video to help dealers and importers update HSN codes amid import duty changes. Kolkata's Attainable media communications reaches new heights with RICOH. HP unveils NV6100 and 6500 series printers. GPI redefines quality, conformity, and reliability in printing solutions. GG offers patented large format inks for Canon imagePROGRAF trademark series. HYB introduces new compatible toner cartridges, HYB KYTK 1260/1270 for Kyocera printers. Quocirca reports need for MPS providers to diversify products. Important update, price adjustment due to currency fluctuations, imageKing. Canon India's Frontier Business Division offers a comprehensive range of security and surveillance solutions tailored to meet the diverse needs of clients. India enforces new 11% customs duty on printer cartridges, a boost for Make in India or a challenge for importers. For more information please visit www.imagingsolution.in.